Hello, everybody. A very good morning to all of you. Today, we're going to discuss another question of critical reasoning. The question says in parts of South America, vitamin A deficiency is a serious health problem. Okay, especially among children. In one region, agriculturalists are attempting to improve nutrition by encouraging farmers to plant a new variety of sweet potato called SPK004 that is rich in beta carotene, in which the body converts into vitamin A. Okay, so if we encourage farmers and they plant this new variety of sweet potato, we'll get this carotene, which in turn will be converted into vitamin A, and it will be nutritious. The plan has good chances of success since sweet potato is a staple of the region's diet and agriculture, and the varieties currently grown contain little beta carotene. Okay, so sweet potato is something that the people of that area have as a diet. So if we grow a variety of that only, it would be people would have that, and it may lead to more vitamin A in people. And the current varieties that are currently grown have little carotene. So uh, people like farmers are being encouraged. Which of the following options, if true, most strongly supports the prediction that will succeed? Prediction is if this is grown, then uh, vitamin would be the plant has good chances of success. This is a prediction to be precise. The plan has good chances of success. This plan of new variety of sweet potato. Okay. Okay, now this says most strongly supports this. So there may be it may be the case that two of the options are in support of the prediction being right. We have to select the one which is more stronger. I mean, which is stronger. So let's look at the option number one. The growing conditions required by the varieties of sweet potato currently cultivated in the region are conditions in which SPK004 can flourish. So the conditions that are currently available, they're suitable for this to flourish. Okay. So this goes in support with this, but this is just giving us an information that it will flourish, right? So this is kind of supporting. So we'll just keep it aside for now, and then we'll compare the options that we feel suitable as the answer. Option B says the flesh of SPK's 004 differs from that of the currently cultivated sweet potatoes in color and texture. Okay, so these the currently cultivated one sweet potato and it's different. So traditional foods would look somewhat different when prepared from this. So they look somewhat different. We do not know if the people would like it or not. So this doesn't quite help us. This statement quite doesn't help us in telling whether this would be a success or not. Okay, so this is not the answer. Option C says there are no other varieties of sweet potato that are significantly richer in carotene than this is. So there are no other varieties of sweet potato that are so much rich in carotene as this is. There are high chances that farmers would cultivate this. So this is in a very strong support of the prediction that is there. So this can be one of the probable answers. We'll keep it aside and we'll look at option number D. The varieties of sweet potato currently cultivated in the region contain some important nutrients that are lacking in this. Also, this is kind of weakening this. This is saying that the currently grown sweet potato has something that this is lacking. So the farmers may not be encouraged to grow this. So this is actually weakening and hence not our answer at all. We look at option number E now. There are other vegetables currently grown in the region that contain more beta carotene than the currently cultivated varieties of sweet potato. Okay. Uh, Other vegetables currently grown have more beta carotene that are currently grown. Now, this is talking about other vegetables in the region, and it's saying it has more carotene. Now we do not know if these vegetables have more carotene than this variety or less carotene than this variety, so we cannot quite determine if this would, if I mean if the farmers would grow this or not. So this is not actually stronging, giving support to the argument at all. So this is also not the answer. Now we're left with two options. The number one is A and the number two is C. We have to compare now. This is just saying that the conditions to grow this new variety are suitable. This can be grown. So just because the condition is appropriate, the condition may be appropriate for a lot of things. That's not the only, condition for the farmers to be encouraged to grow it, right? And whereas C option says that there are no other variety of sweet potato that is significantly richer in carotene than this one. So obviously farmers would pick this as the top priority because this is the most rich in carotene. So this is very strong that the prediction that there is a good chances of success of, farmers getting convinced to grow this is being strengthened by our statement number C only, much more than A. So relatively this sounds better, this looks perfect, and hence this is our answer. Our answer is option number C here. Thank you.